Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Well, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye. Stylish hairstyling, fine hairstyle. Very curly hairstyling, messy hairstyles. Beautiful collection of spiky hairstyles. And so beautiful ideas of haircut, Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut, some ideas layered, some ideas step. Beautiful collection of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, very beautiful and dangerous collection. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you're tired, I hope you look so nice. Very stylish and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video, your friends, your family members and others. And please support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.